everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. So if you would hit that subscribe button below, make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will show you how to put together 2 beautiful home decor for every area in your house. So if this is a tutorial you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching and let's get into making this beautiful decor. The materials you will need to complete this project will be 12 dozen of roses from the Dollar Tree, lantern or some type of vase, some type of styrofoam or moss, a ribbon, and a beautiful brooch. We are using the brooch that we use on the snowman's shawl. It's such a beautiful brooch. You can pick it up at Walmart in the material section. All materials that we used today will be linked in the description bar below this video. All the items that you see are from the Dollar Tree except the lantern. We picked that up from Ross and we got it at a very good deal. We got it for $5 and some change. The moss come in 4 squares, but we do have to cut it down because we have to cut the moss For this next project, you will need 12 dozen of roses, a vase of some sort, styrofoam balls from the Dollar Tree, preserved moss, and a brooch. If you remember, we used this brooch a few months back when we did our snowman. The pleated scarf we applied it to, and it was absolutely beautiful. And we thought today would be fitting to put it on the home decor because it gives that rich and elegant look. Now we are applying the moss. We know that some people may not like moss, and if you don't like using moss, then you can always use rocks as a filler or any type of decorative filler for this part. We are going to also show you two ways you can do this decor. You can either use it for a home decor or you can turn it around and use it for an event such as a wedding. We want to apologize for not capturing the footage of applying the brooch and more roses to this decor, but you will see the end results of how it turned out. It is a easy process. You just apply brooch to the front of this vase, and also you just apply more of the roses, and it should be pretty easy to do. But we do apologize for the inconvenience that it may cause you.